Let's start.
Okay. So yesterday after the meeting, I started integration of the scripts that were supposed to send the ARF report to abuse at technologyhub.work. So I did follow the instructions from ChatGPT and install the necessary software. One of them was Sieve. Where is it? So when I did this prompt, I say that I have a Postfix server with Dovecot, with MariaDB, with virtual users and Roundcube. I want to simulate FBL and all that. And I even shared the configuration file, one of the configuration files of Postfix. And then ChatGPT gave me the instructions here. So towards the end, I realized that ChatGPT was actually instructing me to do what is already in place. Because it was assuming that my emails were not going to the junk folder or spam folder from the Roundcube, but that was already happening because we already have the files, and the only thing that I wanted was to be able to detect the activities of the junk folder of each user within the system. So as I continued editing files as per the instructions from ChatGPT, I realized that it was actually making me to break the stuff that I had already done. So I reverted back to my initial configurations and continue tuning the prompt. So it's a long prompt. So I reverted back to what was working towards the end of the day yesterday, and today in the morning, I decided to take another approach that just write a script that watches the file. So instead of automatically detecting what is happening on the folder, I ran a cron that runs like after every 30 seconds and checks all the junk folders within the system for the email and see if there is not something that has been added there recently. And that is actually what worked for me. And I was able to run some tests. So if I mark any of the emails here as junk, then it's going to send an email to abuse at technologyhub.work, which is this one here. So behind the scenes, that cron is like running. So after every 30 seconds, it checks if there is anything new within the junk folder of any of my users, then it's going to send that report here. So for example, maybe I can mark this as junk, which sends us to the junk folder. So it's going to be detected within the 30 seconds, and the report is going to be sent to this email here. So let me just wait for the 30 seconds. Yeah. So this is the report.
There's no message, only the.
Yeah, I tried to coil up the message. Yeah? This is actually the file that is doing that. I've done the message.
I mean, there is no content for that.
Actually, I don't know why the content is not going through because I have the content here.
Even the file, it seems like even the file, normally you need to push your content inside a file and attach to a message. Are you sure that your Roundcube can handle file? Try to send a file to maybe from Proton
Okay.
and check.
I actually did test the file. I didn't think of that, so let me try.
There is a lot of scenario. You can
Yeah, it's
figure
true.
out all of them at your first time. That take time and use most of time. There are people who remind you all these scenarios.
This is the. It seems like it's okay. Saying it's too large. Let me see if I can find a file that is less.
Yeah, you can use Blocknote to create just a simple file.
Okay.
If you tap Blocknote in search, it's Blocknote.
Blocknote?
Notepad.
Notepad.
Yeah. Yes. Click on yes, click there. Just create maybe test something.
Test file 1.
Yes.
Then.
No, I think this will go on your download file. Go on your. Okay, yes, you can even click on save.
I think it goes to documents. So email. Test. Okay. Okay. I think it handles the file.
Okay, try to download. Okay.
Okay.
I have to send from Proton to here. That's fine. Yes, from here.
Okay. Just apply this. Sent. I think the Proton ones sometimes delays to arrive. Okay, it's here.
Okay.
Download. I can open and download. Okay.
Okay. So okay. So maybe in your RF script.
Maybe it's not correct. I'm not so familiar with the scripting, so
Okay.
Just trying
Can you
to.
make your screen a bit large because I am seeing, or maybe it's my eyes.
Let me try making it more large.
Okay, that's good. Okay, so this is the script that will handle file.
Yes, it will handle the this is the script that will handle the sending of the report and also coiling the message.
Okay.
Yes.
Can you show us the script that is checking the spam, that is checking for spam?
Okay, first I have the variables. This is the same script
It's
because
all in the same script.
yes, all here.
Okay.
But now I use this. Is it called the system D? The system D is the one now that triggers this. So I have 2 other files for that to now trigger this.
Okay.
So this is the section where it's going to check for all the users.
Okay.
And it checks for this .junk because that is where the emails. This is the file that contains all the junk emails.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this is the and sending RF report to Yahoo or other
Not
external.
that one. I haven't done that one. I haven't been able to do it yet because
Okay.
yeah.
Okay. You will try to explore it. Maybe Google, Yahoo, they don't allow small system or maybe system from other company to send them the RFI.
Okay.
And we also have, this is the manual FPL because user is flagging this manually, right?
Yes, it's manual because the user is flagging it from the UI.
Yes, it means that you also need to work on the automated FPL where you have a script that will read the email by himself. Do you remember?
Yes, I was going through that, and I think ChatGPT mentioned the SpamAssassin. Maybe I need to
You need to download SpamAssassin.
download that. Yeah.
Just adjust some variable because you need to give a score. The purpose of SpamAssassin, you will give score to some keyword.
Okay.
Yes. I think SpamAssassin is free. It's open source free.
Yeah, it's free.
Because if you want to build it from scratch, as Emmanuel did, it means that you need to rebuild the entire list word of spam keyword, of spam tag, of a lot of things. Can we check go on SpamAssassin on their website and see? Let's just see if they download the installation. The integration to your system will be hard or not. Just have to have a look because I don't want that it goes there and break all things that you have done.
Okay.
Because maybe it can be hard to integrate to your system. I think it is the first. You can go on Wikipedia.
Okay.
Just type SpamAssassin. It is the real name. Yes.
Okay. This one.
You can go there. From there, you can go on their website. Okay, we have the download. Up, it is up.
Oh, here. Yeah.
What they are saying about download. No, we are not updating. Okay, can you scroll down?
I think this is the end.
Okay, try to scroll up again. Let's see. The first link is about the upgrade for the information. Okay, click on the link in the product information.
Where's the product information?
Down. The second one.
Oh, okay. Yeah,
Yes.
this is the link.
Uh, ask to ChatGPT to install it.
I think I should just start a new one.
No, you can continue with the same.
Okay.
This will let, because ChatGPT need to know that you already have something in place.
Okay.
Not just like you can ask him to integrate SpamAssassin in with your Roundcube and tell him that you already install Roundcube, Dovecot, MySQL on database, so on.
How do I now integrate? Integrate. SpamAssassin.
Okay, try to scroll down. And this will connect to Roundcube. Okay, configure with Postfix. Okay, try to connect down. SpamD. Okay, what? This is the configuration file and how we will make it point to SpamAssassin. Content SMTP. Okay, try to scroll down. At the bottom. Okay. You have all received. Test. Try to scroll down. Okay, customize SpamAssassin. Okay, no. We try to scroll down. Okay. Robot. Ask him when. What? Okay, so SpamAssassin will communicate with Postfix.
Yes, but it also said that for the headers, I need to integrate. It's optional though. Integrate with Dovecot.
Okay, yes, we can also integrate with it. Already have. You said that Siva is for what? Okay, it's about filter. It's about the text
Yeah,
spam.
filtering. Yeah.
Right
Sieve.
now, you are using Siva.
No, I'm not using Sieve.
You have just wrote a Python a script that is detecting everything himself.
Yes, because now I think for the SpamAssassin, instead of the user like flagging it here manually, the SpamAssassin does that automatically behind the scene by detecting the emails, going through the email itself and see it looks like a spam and all that.
Okay. Because you also need to detect, make sure Dovecot deliver header tag by SpamAssassin. Okay. Because if we don't do that, maybe Dovecot will not deliver it.
Maybe.
because when a user send email from, let's say, Gmail, Postfix will reserve it, and SpamAssassin will check it before it deliver it to Roundcube,
Okay.
to Dovecot, and then Dovecot will make sure that Roundcube we see it on the content of the user.
Yeah. Because, okay, right now the system that we have, however much the number of emails that I'm sending here, I've sent a lot, maybe 100 emails. They're still all going to the inbox. So probably when maybe we do the SpamAssassin is going to maybe suspect this is a spam and start delivering them to spam the way the likes of Gmail are doing.
Okay, exactly.
Yeah.
And if you don't set up Dovecot, if SpamAssassin detect that is spam, SpamAssassin can simply put them in quarantine.
Okay.
I think that's why ChatGPT is asking for Dovecot. You see, the step 5.
Yeah.
Because same like Gmail can put your email in quarantine sometime. I think same for the SpamAssassin. Okay, I think that maybe your next step is to integrate SpamAssassin for automation to automate the detection.
Yes, that should be a next step. Instead of maybe relying on now doing the external FBL, then I should maybe just do the SpamAssassin first.
Yes, you will also need to do that external the external FBL part.
Okay.
You will try to see if it is possible, but normally it should be possible because from system to system, let's say a company, they have their domain called maybe dailymeeting.com. If they are sending us email, we need to be able to reply to them and say, hey, this email that you have received from you, it is an abuse. You see?
Yeah.
We need to be able to reply to them like that.
Okay.
Okay. So what is can you recap your next step?
So
Your next step.
I think I should now do the SpamAssassin so that it's automatic. Then I'll, if that goes on quick, then works out quick, then I'll do the external FBL.
Okay.
Yeah. Then from the external, after doing the external FBL, then I'll now do the automation because right now everything is manual.
Automation with Ansible and Dockerization.
Yeah, Dockerization.
Yes, Dockerization, yes. Because Dockerization is very important. To splash your microservices, you can have a microservice called SpamAssassin too. Because SpamAssassin will run as a services, right?
I don't know.
You have the sudo install, the sudo system restart. No, try to scroll up. This is about Postfix. Scroll up. Okay, wait. On yes, we have install SpamAssassin. Try to scroll down. We can enable it. You see, I think we have the step 2. Enable and start SpamAssassin on daemon. It means that this is a service, something that we run.
Yeah.
You have SpamT. SpamT is the daemon. So all this we can embed that in Docker and have a Docker service for that.
Okay.
So now you can have some a Docker microservices or a Docker service about Roundcube, Dovecot, Postfix, and SpamAssassin.
Yes.
So for our system now, we can have around 4 microservices: Roundcube, Dovecot, Postfix, and SpamAssassin. the database, they are statefulness, so you cannot dockerize a database because they need to go continuously. I hope you know that.
Yes, when I was reading about Docker, someone mentioned that for the databases, it is difficult to do the Dockerization because, for example, if you try to run maybe multiple instances, you don't know which user is writing on the database at what time. So that is the little understanding I got from that researcher.
Yes. Can you ask to ChatGPT why it is not ask to ChatGPT, is it possible to dockerize database like MySQL? We are using MySQL, right?
Yes, MariaDB, which is just MySQL, like they're similar. Possible. Dockerized database, like sorry. Database, like Maria should be one word, DB.
Okay.
I saw something like, okay, maybe the persist the data we use the what's the name of this? The volumes, yeah.
So okay. Ask ChatGPT, should we dockerize it or not? What the data persistent, okay. For data persistent, we need not to use the volume, something like that.
Yeah.
Okay, ask now to ChatGPT to advise us whether it is better to dockerize
a good idea, yes. Yeah.
Yes, a good idea.
Advice if is a good idea. Dockerize databases. Okay, just it's not a question. And the request.
Okay. Development testing. Lightweight internal tools or diamond. Learning experience. When you should be cautioned, try to scroll down a bit. Avoid database in production unless you meet certain criteria. Consent matter, why it matter, persistence, performance, data loss risk, security, backup, monitor, best practice. Try to scroll down. Okay, if you choose Dockerized, okay. 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 Try to scroll down. Staging, yes. Production, super app. Maybe with question. Okay. And what we do now?
I don't know. Maybe we should just use the the approach recommended, because they're all talking about we Dockerize in development, but in production we don't do it. You can see here.
Okay.
So because we want to get used to maybe production, we just do it without using Docker then.
No, I am talking what right now. Right now, what we will do.
Okay, right now, after the meeting, I think
No, for what we are working about this unlimited scrapping and sending. What we will do, we will Dockerize the database or not.
I don't think we should Dockerize the database. We just
okay. Let's focus Dockerize other services.
We just
Emmanuel, what do you think?
Yeah, so for us to Dockerize the database.
You say?
I said for us to Dockerize the database.
We Dockerize the database or not?
No.
Why?
Yeah. Database, you are connecting to it. So on production, are we setting up our own database?
Yes, we have full control.
Okay, if you have full control, then we don't need to set it because the database will give you a port number to speak to it.
My question
is like,
did you Dockerize the database in your previous work?
We did once. That was a Reddish in-memory. That was once we did it. Yes, but MySQL no, Mongo no.
Good. You don't want we just Dockerize for experience, no purpose, or maybe we can learn something new from there.
Maybe we can, yeah, we can do it for experience purpose. It will also help us understand more about Docker.
Yes, because if we just keep like that, maybe there are something that we will not learn.
We might not know.
Yes, because most of time, people don't Dockerize the database. In big company where I have worked there, no one even in development, they don't even think about it. Even to think about Dockerize the database, no, that is completely no. I was a bit surprised about the answer from ChatGPT. So I think maybe we can learn something from there, something new. Even me, I can also learn some new experience. Because in my side, I have never worked in some place where a company have Dockerized the database. I don't know if it is because I just work on production, but this is my first time to have a response that a database can be Dockerized. Can we try to open a tab on Google and let's ask to Google if the database, you can copy the same question that you gave to ChatGPT and ask that to about the chorus. Yes, just copy it and tap that in the browser. And let's see what other people are seeing from internet. What Gemini is saying, yes, it is possible to that please. Yes, can you open the Gemini?
You mean the Gemini AI
you don't have Gemini?
Official page? I have it.
Yes, you can try to. Let's see what Gemini will say. I want to see which kind of caution, which kind of precaution Gemini will take. Okay, can you try to scroll down? Scroll down.
Systems of data. This is the end.
Standard. Try to change, instead of putting MariaDB, you put PostgreSQL. Can repeat the same question. Just paste it. You can just paste it
Okay.
as it is of yes Postgres.
Postgres. PostgreSQL.
So Gemini did not take any precaution.
Yeah.
Okay. No precaution. Can we scroll down? Let me scroll down. No precaution. Okay. It just gives simple. Okay, can you go again in the Google, in the browser? You see the tab that you are open. Okay, try to scroll down and see if some people they are discussing about it. Try to click on Stack Overflow and let's see what okay. Try to desire problem. Okay, try to scroll down a bit. I want to see. Try to scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. Okay, this is answer from someone. Okay, try to scroll down. No one is putting warning about scroll down.
No
Okay,
one
try
put
to
a
get-
warning.
okay, try to go back because I am trying to see if some people they are put some warning. Try to click on Reddit. Yes, try to click here on try see if someone can put a warning. Just want to see. Try to scroll down. No warning. No one
No
is
one.
putting. Okay.
Maybe we should. I think our question is just asking if it's possible. Maybe I should make it. Is it a good idea to Dockerize?
Okay. Yes, you can put maybe that.
Which idea?
Instead of MariaDB, you can put PostgreSQL because most on Postgres is for legacy data.
Gemini is saying it's a good idea.
Yes, but it's come with consideration.
Advantages, yeah, advantages. Maybe we should.
Okay, try to copy the same question and give it to Gemini again, and let's see what.
Right.
Because it is good to Dockerize it, but we need to take in consideration all the question.
Okay. In the case.
Selection, consistent environment isolation. Try to scroll down. Light way. Okay. The case against the present SQL. Okay. It brings this to table. Data persistent. You must use name value to ensure that your data is not lost when the container is stopped or removed. Proper volume management and backup. Complexity and management. Okay. Managing a production database is in a continuous environment, especially at scale, require deep understanding of Docker, container orchestration, okay, Kubernetes and database administration. Okay, performance. Okay, try to scroll down. Okay, local development. Yes, absolutely. Testing CIS. Large scale production. Okay, depend. Okay. Okay, I see.
Okay.
So for production, we if we do it, we need to use an orchestrator like Docker Swarm or Kubernetes, because when you are deploying, or maybe when a pod or maybe in a Docker will stop, the orchestration, the orchestrator need to handle it and create another Docker thing.
Yeah, another
That-
what it
yes, another Docker
running instance. Yeah.
container. Yes, another Docker container, and link it to the disk persistent. Because whatever we are doing, we need to link that to a disk persistent for to a disk for persistent. So every time that we are stopping, or maybe we are creating a new container for our database, that we connect automatically to the persistent disk. It means that when we are deploying, when we are making change on our database, the container, the Docker container that contain the database will be shut down, and the new one will be creating automatically. And that new one need to connect to the disk persistent, and it also need to forward all the connection, or maybe he need to wait until the connection get close. If some user they have opened some connection to the database.
Okay.
Yes, I think the main difference here between making the Dockerized database compared to other service is the disk persistent. Okay, in that case, we will Dockerize it. We will Dockerize the database. By doing so, that will help us to learn a lot of things.
Okay.
It's okay for you, Godik?
Yes, sir. It's okay.
Okay. Emmanuel?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, perfect. So, Godik, your next step is to automate the FPL, and
No,
then
SpamAssassin first.
Yes, yes, that is automate the FPL.
Oh yeah. Sorry, I
Automate the
confused
FPL
with the Ansible.
Yes, automate the FPL with the SpamAssassin, and maybe check if it is possible to work on external FPL, where you are sending the RFI to external system like Gmail.
Yes, sir.
And then after that, you will start the automation of everything with Ansible, and also include on Docker. Now we found that we can also Dockerize the database. It is possible to Dockerize the database, especially right now because you are not in production environment.
Yeah.
So FBL automation, external FBL, Ansible automation, and Dockerization. Okay. Do we have another thing to add?
Not for now, sir.
Okay. Perfect. Okay, let's continue with the next person.
Okay, I will be the next person. So I'll share my screen. So yesterday after the meet, I worked on the training. So I prepared the onboarding meeting, and then I shared the recordings, and then I did the upsell. So I sent to. So I continued sending and adding the new ones that I was sent later. And that's what I did yesterday. And today I installed Roundcube.
Did you start with the referral?
I didn't start yet.
Okay.
Yes. So today I installed Roundcube, and I could come here to the login. I also created the database. It's disconnected. So this is the
Can you connect to your database?
Yes, let's try to connect to it. Where is just a second. Let's see here. This one. I'll copy it here. The password. And
Can you show us all the database that you have there?
I have only the I have two databases. To show databases like this. Oh, okay, I have those. So I created this Roundcube mail and this mail server.
Okay, can you connect to a database that you have information inside?
So this is for the virtual user.
Okay.
So this is table.
Can you show row?
The table. This one. So this is the user.
Yeah, the password is encrypted.
Yes, but this wasn't encrypted automatically. I used the command from Dovecot and entered that as when I created the user.
Yes, but now it's encrypted.
Yes.
Okay.
And so I have now an issue. When I connect here, I can't connect. I still have the installer. So
can you check if your this other one FPM, the PHP service is up? All
yes.
all your services, can you check if all your
I think PHP is running. That's why she's able to access the UI.
No, the FPM, the service.
Okay.
FPM.
Okay. So I will open a new. I'll connect to this new window. And let's click here. System details just PHP 8.3 PM. It is running.
See running other service that you can check. All your service up.
The service. I can check also Dovecot.
Let's see.
Okay. Other service. Postfix.
Postfix.
Okay. Roundcube is up anyway. Okay. Are you sure that the user have the correct right to write to the database? Can you click on masquer? Okay. Can we copy this screen and make this screenshot and get that to ChatGPT? I see that we don't have certificate.
Certificate?
Yes.
Yes. Saying that not secure.
Oh. Oh yes. I didn't see that. But the problem is not this. This is the installer in the server, and it says I should delete it after I did the test. There is the installer, and I did the test on the installer, and it can give. Can I show it here? I don't know if it can show.
Click on install a script. You have install a script there. Okay.
Yes. So this. So when I test on this test config here, it can give the output of the error. So this is why this is where I'm trying. This is how I am trying to debug it. So I'm trying to debug it here and change the configuration I have. So it is saying something about Dovecot. Today I'm not connected. It's not okay.
Okay. You don't want that we try to just see what ChatGPT is saying, or even if you will follow this path.
Sorry?
I'm saying this, maybe we can just see what ChatGPT will say.
About this?
Yes, about the first, you can go back and give him the first screenshot and see what he will say. Go back again. Yes, maybe you can, let's see what ChatGPT will say.
I think so the pink section is not actually an error. It's like a warning to her. I think the error is the one on the yellow section. This pink one is telling her that after maybe everything is okay, she should remove the installer script.
Okay.
Yes.
And where is the installer script?
It is within the configuration.
Yes, just send description to ChatGPT, and I want to see which direction you will. Ask it to solve the error. Solve the error.
Solve the error.
Yes, just send them back. Okay, SSR, you see, go down. You see, go down now. Go, okay, go in that file that ChatGPT is saying. The second step. Yes.
This
Just
one.
copy. Yes, you have copy there. Yes, and go in your terminal. Okay, try to make ls-lra. LRAT. Yes. Okay. Which thing ChatGPT say? Go again in ChatGPT. It's asking to remove. It say remove installer folder. Click on copy.
It will remove. She's still using it.
Do you need it again?
Yes, I needed to solve the error because it is outputting the error.
Yes, but we don't need it. Once you install everything, why do you need it again?
Because I couldn't connect, so I couldn't authenticate, and that's why I'm using it.
You are using it for what? Why for what?
She's using it for debugging. Just click there and click on the script and show again.
So you are using it for debugging?
Yes.
Yes.
But if you have the installer user, it means that you cannot connect. The installer file. I don't know. You mean that?
No, you will connect, but it is a security risk because someone can still reconfigure your setup from the installer. So I think maybe after she has fully made everything work, she can now remove it.
Okay, can you go again in installer? Can you go in? Okay, try to connect. Okay, Okay, and here what is the error?
This is
Okay.
the error. This is
Copy this and give that to ChatGPT and ask him to fix it. Check credential. Try to check and see. It's okay. I think it's reading. It's okay.
yes.
Okay. Next step.
Something like what?
Maybe
Okay.
just copy the whole of that.
Copy.
Yes,
Yes.
the entire one. If you check it. Okay. MP.
Control C to go.
Yeah,
to
Control
go.
C.
First up, yes, Control C, yes.
Mm,
Is it is the A supposed to be there? Just double check first. Okay, all right.
yes. It's with the password. Command and okay, inside the unnecessary.
We already run this command.
It said it should be
Yeah,
it
after.
should be kept inside the
Okay,
this.
okay.
Yeah. This again. Yes.
No authenticate.
Copy to the whole of it with the command also.
Okay.
Maybe up to some there or full of it. Yeah.
Here there is if it feels.
Okay, I think we need to continue to check it. If we do it here, maybe we will spend a lot of time here.
Yes.
Yes.
I was expecting that it will be very easy to fix, but it seems like it will require a bit time. Okay, so your next step is to fix this
Yes, sir.
and maybe continue and test if and maybe create your script for FBL and test if Roundcube is working well. I mean, sending email, receiving email, attaching file, and maybe when user mark email as spam, your FBL will collect it. Your FBL script will collect it, right?
Yes, yes, sir.
And then you move for the fourth step that Gorin is working on. the assassin spam, the Ansible automation, the Dockerization, and the external FBL. Okay, do you have any question?
No, not for now.
Okay, perfect. Let's continue with Emmanuel.
Yes, so I've not done much, but it's little. So the automation, I've run the automation on my local machine, and it's working, but the certificate is not setting right. So it moves to the spam. If I try one, it will move to the spam. Yes, that one. So I will look at it.
But you are able to send, but it's going to spam. But
No,
what you are doing here, you are sending from terminal, not to terminal. Have you been able to send it from your local terminal to remote terminal?
no, my local terminal is still blocking unless
Yes,
I
but
speak to the IS.
we said that you will use another port. If the port 25 is blocking, you can. It's not possible. It's possible to use the other port.
But the problem is SMTP or SMTP is sent on port 25. So when you are using another port, I'll try it. I'll try another port. So I just ran one right now. It came to the
Yes,
spam.
but not this case. I want first the beginning case. Godik,
Mhm.
it is possible to send from terminal to remote terminal by using another port. We
It
have
is
done that.
possible if you have those other ports integrated. So those other ports will of course require authentication. So you'll use either SAL or you use the Dovecot. You need to authenticate to that user. For example, if you are sending from let's say admin at technologyhub.org, then you need to authenticate to that admin. So in your command, you'll pass the username of the admin and the password and the port and all that. So that is how you send it from the terminal to terminal.
No, yes, but he doesn't want you to send it with your. He wants it to be like this thing. Terminal. You enter the username. Like I've done that one before for 25, but it's blocking now. You just send it from your local machine to the remote for 25, and it goes through. It
Yes,
goes through.
port 25 is okay. You don't need any authentication for port 25.
Yes, yes.
But if you're going to use port 587 and 465, then you need authentication.
Okay, so I've not gotten there yet. This one I just need to send it to test my SSL. I have to set it. It is not securing, so that's the reason why it is not going through well. So I'll fix it. I'll fix it. I
Yes, but
started.
this is the second case where you send from your terminal or maybe from remote to external company like Gmail and so on.
Sure.
The first very basic step is you test it from terminal to terminal.
Not a terminal.
Karin, have you tested that part when you have made the migration from your new server?
No, I didn't test it yet.
You need to do that. That is the basic part.
Yes.
Our goal is to in the first place, have control on terminal.
Yeah.
Unless maybe the port 25 is totally blocked by your ISP. And last time, I think we have worked on it to see how we can call the ISP, how we can troubleshoot everything.
Yeah.
Because normally your PC is like a server, and it is server that you have entire control on it.
Yeah. So this one too, I have done it. The VP, the IP4 and IP6, I've done it automatically. So it determines which one to go. This one is IP6. Next time when I try to send it, it will take IP4. If the system accepts IP4, so now I've routed. It's determined by itself if the recipient is IP6 or IP4, then it sends it. So that is only stuff that I've done. So I'm now going to fix the SSL, then install the Dovecot and Roundcube. And yes,
Yes,
and
but
my
before do that, terminal to terminal is required. You have a
okay.
lot of people outside there, they are setting off email, but they don't understand how terminal to terminal work. They don't even know how the architecture of this thing is being set because they have never tested that.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. So so I'll work on it and fix it terminal to terminal as I did the last time.
Because last time we discussed about that, and I said that you should do terminal to terminal. Right now you are showing me local to Gmail. No,
No.
this is not the step that you
Yes.
should show me.
Yes. Yes. So I'll work on it so that the
Yes,
terminal,
not
my
just say
local
that you will
terminal.
work on it and tomorrow you came and show me another thing.
No,
You
no,
need to note down
I'm going
when
to
you don't if you don't know how to be organized well, you need to note down when I am saying something. You see, every time that I finish, I say to everyone, your next step, because if you check our previous down meet, you say in the previous meet that you will work on the terminal to terminal.
yes, you are right on that. But I started and I wasn't making headway. But right now I'll allocate time on it so that I should be able to make a headway on it.
Because
Because
last
if
time on Saturday, or I think Saturday or Friday,
Saturday,
when we finish, you say you will focus on terminal to terminal.
yeah, yeah, you are right. But I focus a little small on it. So I will give a priority on it.
Okay. Because if you don't follow plan, that will not work. It's not possible.
You're right.
Predict follow plan, even current follow plan. And if you see that the plan is not good and you want to change plan, it's here during this meeting. You can say, oh, I want first to focus on the Gmail part and then I will switch back to terminal to terminal. But normally terminal to terminal is the base is really the basic part. But because there is a lot of tool on the market, people have forget how terminal to terminal work. You see many developers, they have even 20 years of experience, even 30 years of experience, but they will not know how terminal to terminal work. Because most of the time when they ask them to send email, they will just go out there and pull a package and use maybe SMTP from OVH, from Google, and so on, and start sending the email. But the problem is that when you are start moving from large scale, that will not work. That will not work. From terminal to terminal is really the basic, because that will let you see that sending email is just like making the SSH down connection. It's like SSH connection, or maybe like the SMTP connection. I think it's yes, SFTP. You know the SFTP down protocol.
Yeah.
When you want to connect to send file, read file, you can use SFTPS.
Yeah, from one machine to another.
Exactly. Sending email is something similar like that. That is what terminal to terminal let you to have control, to understand everything really at the beginning. At the beginning, now you can move now came to this Gmail, where Gmail will put a lot of useless non feature. Okay, focus on that terminal to terminal, and let's see what we have. And once you finish that, you can start with the Roundcube part. Okay, do you have any question?
Not really. I have to work on the terminal to terminal. So if I have any issue, that will be that place.
Yes, because but normally you have already worked on this in the past. The only thing that you are doing here is just the migration, because you have done this in the other server. So normally you should have finished it within less than 2 hours, something like that. Because it is something that you already done. And the only thing that have changed here is only the name of server and the domain name.
Yeah. Okay, yes, but I think on the previous server, because Godric had worked on it, maybe he had some installation that was helping us. But when you are working on a new server, you have to do a whole lot of stuff. So that's a little difference there.
Okay, okay. Okay. Any question? Godric, Karim?
From my side, I don't have a question right now. I'll just move to the spam assassin. Yeah.
Okay, perfect. I think Emmanuel already, Karim, you already work on SpamAssassin?
No, I didn't yet. I just done some research on it, and that's all.
Okay, I think Emmanuel have worked on manual SpamAssassin, where you
Yes,
have
that was
all
the
keyword,
basic.
all this.
That one was the basics. So the spam assassin will be installed on it. Then I integrated. So it's just a first step. It's like a security check
Okay, perfect.
of filtering.
Okay, okay. Any question? If you don't have any
No
question, okay.
question.
Okay. Thank you. Enjoy the rest of your day. Have a good day. See you tomorrow. Bye.
But
Thank
Bye.
you. Bye.
Bye.